Today we are going to be learning English idioms with pictures and meanings. Under the weather means feeling unwell and sick. I am feeling under the weather. Are you feeling under the weather? An arm and a leg means very expensive. Buying a brand new car can cost an arm and a leg. Owning a designer handbag can cost an arm and a leg. Miss the boat means fail to get an opportunity. Not investing in Bitcoin early was a big miss the boat for many. Arriving late to the airport made them miss the boat their flight. Bite more than you can chew. Participating in too many extracurricular activities can make you bite off more than you can chew. Lifting weights daily can lead you to bite off more than you can chew. Come rain or shine. She promised to walk her dog every morning, come rain or shine. I will be there to support you, come rain or shine. Cut corners. Cutting corners by using cheaper materials ended up causing more problems. He cut corners on his homework by copying answers. Go down in flames means a miserable failure. The plan to launch the new product went down in flames due to lack of funding. His ambitious plans went down in flames. Cry over spilled milk. Yes, we made a mistake, but there's no point in crying over spilled milk. Don't depress yourself by crying over spilled milk.